Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the Colmi M41 Smartwatch. Okay, so it is a sports smartwatch that is packed with health and of course different fitness function. Okay, again, this is the M41 smartwatch. So it is one of the latest wearable in the Colmi KM series. So we are going to check this. Okay, we are going to check the specs, okay, as well as the design of the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the Colmi M41 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and of course we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready, so let's unbox this one. Okay, let's check the details on the box. So Colmi M41, simple packaging here. At the back we have M41 model. Okay, 1.9 inches, 240 by 280 pixel resolution. So it is using the RTL 8763E processor with 230 mAh battery, IP67, 9.0 plus iOS supported, as well as Android 5.0 plus supported. Okay, so we have the user manual, USB cable, and the M41. Okay, so we'll check. So this is a very new smartwatch, just barely a month in the market, I think. So let's check. Okay, let's remove the plastic first. Hopefully this wearable will work. Okay, so we have here the silver color with a QR code. So let's check. On the promotional image, okay, or images, the smartwatch looks sporty and feels like a premium smartwatch. So let's see here, okay, in the actual, okay, device. So we have the Colmi smartwatch. Okay, so far it seems like it looks nice. Okay, we have the user manual and the magnetic charging cable. Okay, so let's check first this one, Colmi M41. Open the app. So we have here the instructions on how to pair. We have the touchscreen, and seems like it is using the Fit app or the Fit app. Okay, we have here the QR code. So based on the logo here. Okay, so what else? So we have here the features. So we have a Bluetooth phone call, heart rate, SpO2, blood oxygen reminder or test, period reminder, and that's it. Okay, activity tracking, sleep monitoring. We do have a music player. What else? Remote shutter. Okay, so we'll check on that later on. Okay, so it's already, the strap is already attached to the wearable. And let's check. Okay, so we have here a flexible strap with a quick release pin. Please tear off before use. Call me. Okay, we have a PC material here, and of course the body frame here. So this one, PC material, and we have a metal bezel. Please charge before use. So we have a power as well as a crown button here. I do hope it is a rotating, okay, crown button, circular button. We have the dedicated sports function here, sports button. Okay, and it is water resistant. Okay, I think it is IP67 water resistant. So it looks sporty, looks like an outdoor smartwatch. We do hope that it's durable, and of course it has accurate sensor. Okay, let me wear it first, so we will have a preview of what will the smartwatch look like when you wear it. Okay, so very tight strap here. So we have a metal buckle here. Okay, so far it looks decent. Okay, I'm just not a fan of the body frame here, but so far if you want a lightweight but still durable smartwatch, I guess this one is okay. Okay, Z-Blade, Colmi M41. Okay, so we have here the power button and the dedicated sport button. Okay, so let's check on the dimension and the weight of the wearable. Again, the back cover here, it is a PC material. Okay, so let's check the weight. Let's turn it on. And 00, so let's check. So we have here 43.42 grams. Okay, including the strap. So very lightweight, just less than 50 grams. Okay, I guess because it is because of the PC material here. Okay, so silver color for the metal bezel. Okay, so let's check. With the strap, it is about 43. Without the strap, just less than 25 grams, 24.53. Okay, so it is a very lightweight smartwatch. I guess if this thing is loaded with sports function, I guess it will be a good partner for your sport activity. Okay, let's attach the strap again. As you can see, very easy to attach. Okay, oops. Okay, okay, that's it. Snap on. Okay, so for the dimension, let's check. For the thickness, let's see. Okay, including the bezel here but not the sensor, it is around 9 millimeter. Okay, width, okay, just 43. Okay, I mean the length is just 43 and the width here is around 36. Okay, so medium size wearable. Okay, again for the specifications of the smartwatch. Okay, let me show it to you here. So again, 1.9 inches, 240 by 280 pixel resolution. Okay, we have here the processor RTL 8763E, 230 mAh battery, IP67 waterproof rated. Okay, iOS 9.0 plus and Android 5.0 plus supported. Okay, so let's remove this one. Okay, so far it looks nice, and we do hope that we have a very slim black border inside. Okay, let's try to power it on and see if we still have a juice. Okay, seems like we do have. Colmi. Again, this is a Bluetooth smartwatch. Okay, so we have here very black background. Okay, okay, so we don't have a rotating crown button here. Okay, okay, so we have here some of the menus. Sports function. Okay, so we have here a slim black border. I don't know, for the watch face, do we have? Okay, so we have other watch faces here. We do have a slim black border. Okay, but it's very slim, especially on left and right side, as you can see. Almost non-existent. I guess it is just on the bottom part. Okay, so let's pick other watch faces. Let's see. We have, okay, yes. Okay, as you can see, the black border is very slim. Okay, except here on the bottom part, but on the side and top, okay, seems like the screen goes all the way to the edge of the metal bezel here. Okay, so that's it for the details on your Colmi M41 smartwatch. Okay, the design and of course the specs, okay, of the wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, and for other details on the specifications, just check it here. Okay, the Colmi M41 smartwatch, a Bluetooth, okay, sport smartwatch. Bye.